Cameras are everywhere throughout our cities. Could their footage be the key to easing traffic congestion and coordinating commercial facilities, creating a safer, more prosperous world? Could residents' health be better protected by sharing patient information among medical institutions, pharmacies, care facilities, and beyond? Envision a smart city.
それでは協定書へのご署名の方をお願いいたします。
In December 2023, a company specializing in digital transformation in the field of social innovation partnered with a city on the Pacific coast to build this smart city. These cutting-edge initiatives are aimed at solving social issues and establishing a futuristic new society through comprehensive data utilization. About 100 kilometers northeast of Tokyo, Hitachi City in Ibaraki Prefecture has a population of approximately 165,000. Facing various challenges, including population decline, a plan was formed to actively incorporate the ideas of young people in order to create a more prosperous society. The key to this lies in digital technology.
今回日立製作所さんからデジタルを活用した、スマートシティ、それを一緒にやっていきたいというようなお話をいただいたのは本当にチャンスなのかなとは思ってます。人口減少っていうところがやはり大きいところがありますので、やはり女性ですとか若い方がこの市で自分なりに活躍したい、自分が育った町で先進的な取り組みをやってみたいというような気持ちに少しでも共感できる方々がいると、今回の取り組みはすごく成功なのかなとは思ってます。
Hitachi Limited stepped forward to partner in the Hitachi Smart City Initiative. As the core company of the Hitachi Group, with approximately 300,000 employees, the major manufacturer tackles societal issues worldwide. Hitachi City is actually the birthplace of Hitachi Limited. It was founded in 1910 as a division for repairing and maintaining machinery used in Hitachi Mine.
製造業を中心としてですね、まず町に活気を取り戻したいなというところはまず一つ思いとしてありまして、私自身が日立市で生まれ育ってきてまして、私の子供にも私と同じ道であったり、その日立市で暮らしていくという選択肢を取ってもらえるような町にしていきたいというふうには考えていますし、そのために今回のプロジェクトも有意義というか期待しているところでもあります。
The company proposed themes highly compatible with digital technology. They discussed and determined their main pillars of focus together with Hitachi City. They are transportation, healthcare, and energy. Their first pillar, transportation. In Hitachi City, congestion on main roads such as National Route 6 during commuting hours is a significant issue. Collecting and analyzing data on traffic volume and other factors will aid in introducing new mobility solutions and initiatives to encourage a modal shift towards public transportation. They also address the needs of residents in aging mountainous communities, whom individual bus companies may not be providing adequate transportation options for. The second pillar is healthcare. They are working to facilitate the sharing of data among Hitachi General Hospital, local clinics, pharmacies, nursing homes, and more to provide integrated services for residents, including medical consultations, examinations, treatments, prescriptions, rehabilitation, and caregiving. And the third pillar is energy, working toward decarbonization in collaboration with local businesses. Hitachi City has always had a strong industrial sector. Unfortunately, it accounts for 68% of its CO2 emissions, significantly more than the national average of 44%. Half of emissions come from small and medium-sized enterprises, and it is difficult for these businesses to address the necessary decarbonization protocols on their own. The Hitachi Limited factory within the city is globally recognized for its efforts to balance cost and CO2 reduction, including anticipating electricity demand and utilizing renewable energy. This expertise will be shared to benefit this project and other initiatives in many ways.
スマートですから、やはりバラバラではなくて一つのことをみんなで共有しながらやる。例えば二酸化炭素排出量をどう下げるかというようなところにおいて、日立市の日立グループの工場や大三河事業所をはじめとしたところを起点としてですね、周りの中小企業や住宅とつなげて、例えば弊社の工場で余った電気を土日使ってもらう、そういったところを起点に製造業中心の街でのあるべき姿を作ったり、スマート一つのものをみんな使いながらもっと便利になっていく、そういった街を実現できればいいなと思ってます。
Establishing a smart city requires long-term commitment. The initiatives to create a prosperous society where all citizens can benefit from solutions based on data sharing and AI analysis have only just begun.